There are almost 230,000 buildings in Taipei City, and around 90% of these are over 30 years old. That percentage is increasing. The city's government says that 98,000 of these older buildings are unstable. If a large earthquake were to strike Taipei, Taiwan's Interior Ministry says about 4,000 buildings could collapse. This could affect a large portion of the city's population. The prospect has many locals worried.
住了40多年了，地板有一点裂了，对不对？如果是在大地震的话，一定会垮掉了，当然是会怕。
Taiwan is no stranger to destructive earthquakes, and the country's buildings have taken a beating in the past. 50,000 toppled in the Gigi earthquake of 1999. That quake killed 2,400 people. Reconstruction of Taipei's buildings has been slow. One reason is that this kind of work needs the approval of all the owners of property in a building. That's kept many buildings from getting the necessary repairs.
当然我家的更多更老哈，我家已经60年了，可是我们那里已经说了3、4次，只有2位，40几户只有2户不要就不行了。
The Building Administration Office says it's trying to speed up the process of renovating structurally unsound buildings.
老旧建筑大概普遍耐震能力都不足了。那对于这个30年以上这种老旧房屋，其实我们是鼓励市民先行做一个耐震能力的评估。
Some advocates say these assessments should be mandatory for old buildings.
台湾其实不光台北市，应该要来做一个强制性的全面的建筑的普查。不是所有的方案都是要透过重建解决，是有些方式只是透过你的整建维护或是结构补强的方式。
Authorities say construction has been slowed by labour shortages and the changing cost of raw materials. Taipei's new mayor Jiang Wanan promised during his campaign to lower the bar for approving renovations. But with strong earthquakes likely at any moment, many people's lives and homes are at risk until reconstruction work can get off the ground. Damon Lin and Sally Jensen for TaiwanPlus.